Have you seen those perfectly edited videos on social media and wondered how creators make them look so smooth and professional? One popular tool many people use is the Wink app. What is Wink app? The Wink app is a video editing and enhancement tool that helps improve video quality, smooth skin, and make videos look more professional. How to download Wink app. To download the Wink app: 1. Open the App Store or Play Store. 2. Search for Wink. 3. Tap Install or get 4. Wait for the app to download. How to edit videos in Wink. Once you open the app: 1. Tap Import Video. 2. Select the video you want to edit. 3. Use tools like smoothing, filters, and enhancements. 4. Adjust brightness, color, and sharpness. Best features of Wink. Some popular features of Wink include AI video enhancement, skin smoothing tools, video quality improvement, easy editing interface. These tools help make videos look more professional. Exporting your video after editing: 1. Tap Export. 2. Choose Video Quality. 3. Save it to your phone gallery. Who should use? Wink is great for content creators, TikTok and Instagram users, beginners who want quick video editing. Now you know how to use the Wink app to improve your videos easily.